So once you get your ETR machine, switch it on. It's going to come on here, and the first thing you do is to connect it to your Wi-Fi. So what you do is you go down to programming, press enter, you put your password. The password is done, and then go all the way to configuration, go all the way to communication, communication, and you go all the way to WLAN. Once you search your Wi-Fi name is going to come there, and you put in your password. Okay, that's done. Now if you want to print a receipt, then the first menu that's going to come is going to registration part. So you press enter, again you put in your password. So here we have many options. Debit note, if you want to remove a copy of your ETR again, right? So what we're going to do is just go for the basic tax invoice. So if you're doing it for a company, you have to put the PIN of the buyer, then it's going to validate with the system, and the name of the company is going to come. But if you're just selling cash and it's a walking customer who doesn't have a PIN number, or it's not a company basically, so you just press enter, and this is where you start. Now usually your ETR provider will have already programmed for you the number of items that you have. If you need to know if you have many items, then you can also ask for him to program for you more. So this PLU, as you see the number, these are number of items. You can add more than whatever amount you want. So if you want to, now let's say we'll do ours. If you want to sell just one item, then you can just press sorry. If you want to just press one item, then you just press the PLU button, whichever item you're selling. Okay, then you enter the price of the item that you want, and you press enter. That's it, and it's done. Right, now let's say if you have several items to sell and each one has different prices. So when you come here, let's say we want to sell 2 dumbbells, so you press 2, then this X button is times. As soon as you do that, that's the quantity that's come, so that's quantity of 2 times the item 1. Now let's say each dumbbell costs 500, so you write 500. Okay, you press enter. You want to add another item, you press 3 times another item, like that. Okay, bench, put 15,000. This is the price per item, so when you total, it's going to come to the 3 times 15,000. Okay, and like that you can keep adding more and more. 5 times, so that floor mats each is maybe 7,000. Okay, so 5 of them come 35,000. Now let's say if a client tells you, okay, I don't want one of the items, or maybe you made a mistake, so what you can do is you do subtotals. Okay, also done subtotals, you get the total amount, and then you go up, and whichever item that you want to cancel, you see all your items. You see dumbbells are 2, benches are 3, floor mats are 5, and whichever item you want to cancel, let's say you want to cancel dumbbells part, so you press void, it will come out. Okay, and let's say now if you want to select another item which is on the PL10, so for PL10 you press shift here. If you want to go to the shift. Okay, so let's say we want to go for another PLU, which is, you see there are one key can press 2 items. So in order for you to access the orange ones, you need to use shift. So let's say you press 7 times, now you press shift and then PLU 8. Okay, that's exercise bike. Same button of 2, but now it went to another item, like that, and 8 of them. Okay, and that's it. Anything else we need to know? And once you printed your ETR, that's how it comes. So you see dumbbells, bench, floor mats, and then we voided the dumbbells again, we cancelled, so it's a negative here, and we did back the exercise bikes, so total comes this, then you can give that. Okay, and if you want to do a credit note, then you just press the credit note button. You're supposed to enter the receipt number. The receipt number comes on the ETR here. Okay, you enter that and you press the credit note. And if you want a copy of the same ETR, so do that, put that and get the copy. So another thing, let's say if your items are exceeding 13, then what you do is when you come here, you press 13 and then you press PLU. Okay, so it'll come there. If you want to press maybe 20, item number 20, press PLU. Okay, it's not there. So let's just try 13, PLU, you get accessibles. Then 15, price is 150. So let's say if you want to add more than, like, let's say if you're selling 5 bowls, so you press 5 times the quantity has come, then you press 13, which is the PLU number, you go to PLU, that will be 5 excess bowls, 5 excess bowls, then each bowl is 25, press enter, and that's it. So let's say if you want to add items now, I'll teach you the programming part. So for the programming, you go back to main menu, go to programming, enter your password, and you can see here there's a whole list of item groups, invoices. So you go to PLU, enter, you can put a PLU code. So let's say we don't have number 20, let's put number 20 here on our side, and press enter. Okay, then you write the name. Now name you're writing in the old format of the Nokia's. What have we not put so far? Leg press. So L E, oh crap, like that, L E and G, and then space, space. So for space is the dot button, and then you write P T Q R E Q R S and P Q R S. That's it. Okay, then so if you're having VAT on that amount, then you put a 0 in the HS code. Like that. Okay, HS code is 0, and you enter the price. What did I do? I pressed something badly. Oh yeah, you enter the price. Let's say the price is around 200,000. Okay, then you press enter, and price type PLU free price. Enter that, single cell. Yeah, so from here onwards just keep on pressing enter, no need for a barcode. Item group is group 1 or group whatever you want to put in groups. Press enter, PLU code 20, do you want to save? Yes, and that's it, it got saved at that amount. Okay, so that's your code, that's your name, that's your VAT percentage, HS code is that, and the price is that, and that's it.